Peanut snores loud. Oh my God, this Negro snores loud as heck. Peanut. Wake up. Wake up, Peanut. Listen to that boy. See? That's what it gets you after a full night of foolery. Couldn't even stay awake. Peanut. Wake up. Foolery.